OnePlus 9 specification and design have purportedly been leaked through a live image that surfaced online. The upcoming OnePlus phone appears to have a curved display with a hole punch design and a triple rear camera setup along with a laser autofocus module. The leaked image seems to show OnePlus 9 in silver color option, though the phone is likely to have some other shades as well. OnePlus 9 is rumored to debut sometimes in March, alongside OnePlus 9 Pro and a cheaper model that could be called OnePlus 9e or OnePlus 9 Lite. In a report, ID Home showed a live image that is supposed to be the unannounced OnePlus 9. The image highlights the phone from its front and back, both of which look similar to what we saw on leaked renders and image earlier. The phone appears to have a rectangular camera module on a back that has a 3 vertically aligned camera sensor, along with a separate cutout next to secondary camera that could be a laser autofocus sensor. Although some earlier reports suggest the flat display on OnePlus 9, the leak image shows a curved screen. This is similar to OnePlus 8 that also debuted with a curved edge display. The leaked image also shows an about phone screen on the headset that purportedly suggests the OnePlus 9 specifications. The phone appears to be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset, along with a 12GB of RAM and 256GB of onboard storage. The screen also shows the display details. It appears to be either 6.54 or 6.34 inch. 120Hz Fluid AMOLED display. In terms of camera, the camera suggests that there are two 48MP sensor and one 8MP sensor. This is slightly contrary to an earlier report that suggests a 50MP primary camera sensor on OnePlus 9. The phone also seems to run on Android 11. Previous reports suggest that OnePlus 9 could come with a 4500 mAh power battery and support 30 watts wireless charging. The phone is also expected to have a reverse wireless charging support, just like OnePlus 8 Pro.